40 to 50 centimeters high rebars with a diameter of 10 millimeters are drilled on the foundation at 200 millimeters alternating interval in order to allow the insertion and anchorage of the structural panels. The rebars are drilled at a minimum depth of 50 millimeters, or 10 times the diameter of rebar with chemical anchoring epoxy. Installation of next panel. Each rebar is tied on the mesh of the panel using GI tie wire. To ensure static continuity of the structure, the panels are tied up to each other using conventional site tools. First layer of shotcrete. Second layer of shotcrete. Finishing. The result.